GovGuam today paid $1 million more in weekly fees out of its revenue at the behest of Federal District Court Judge Francis Tidinko Gatewood to fund the construction of a new landfill. The latest payment brings the total GovGuam has lost in court fees to nearly $6 million. On the same day, the judge denied the government's petition for an immediate end to the fees. In her order today, the judge directs GovGuam to file affidavits saying its financing plan is viable and that it can secure the money without delay. She also calls for a hearing on GovGuam's petition for April 14th, adding the weekly fees will continue in the meantime. For now, the governor's financing team says their plans will largely depend on the court's reaction to its request to stop the fees.
All sorts of different things could be delivered as a reason for denial, right? So depending on what that is, we'll proceed to the next step.
But GovGuam isn't taking any chances, and officials are still in talks with the Attorney General's office on plans to put many government employees on furlough.
The furloughs would be unavoidable because we are already in a very precarious cash flow situation with this $1 million a week.
And once GovGuam has the go-ahead to market a bond for the landfill, it could still take as long as 2 months to get the money it needs, according to staff with the Guam Economic Development Authority. The underwriter for the bond told GovGuam last week that the legislature's most recent landfill funding bill should provide enough options to make a landfill bond attractive on the market. But an end to the $1 million fees is also crucial to GovGuam's financial plans.
What is key for us to get out into the market is having the court lift the weekly payment source. And the reason why we say that is we understand that the weekly payment source is causing a stress on the government's liquidity. And in order to go out to the market, we have to show stability.
Meanwhile, the judge gave GovGuam and the Attorney General until noon tomorrow to certify in writing that the landfill funding plan detailed in the legislature's bill can work. Stepan Sebastian, PNC News.